Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to discuss about SEO plan strategy and how many types of SEO we are going to do for our GoHighLevel website. So in the previous video we have learned about how we can implement or how we can design our website according to the SEO rules and according to the Google rules for ranking in the top of Google with GoHighLevel websites and a GoHighLevel SEO strategy as well. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can plan our SEO and how many types of SEO we need to take care about when we're designing GoHighLevel websites, funnel, or we can designing our blog post. Each and everything we need to make plan first. We need to take care of SEO, then we need to design our websites or funnels. So let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how we can make this plan and how we can go with our GoHighLevel websites. And by the way, that's video quite long, and be patient with me so I can explain each and everything. And after this video, I believe and I trust you are able to learn about how to do SEO in our GoHighLevel websites and how many types of SEO and what's the purposes of SEO. After this video, you know all these things. So let me dive in video and I will start the complete plan, procedures and types of SEO as well. Here we have complete plan of SEO that we are going to implement on our GoHighLevel websites. First thing is that we can make SEO strategy and overview, and then we will do some keyword research, then we will do on-page SEO, and then off-page SEO, then technical SEO, then we will go with the local SEO and also national SEO as well. That's SEO types. I will explain one by one these all things. Content marketing and SEO tracking and performance and analyzing. We can learn how we can analyze our audience, how can track our performance of website, and SEO plan and implementation. That's the last. That's video quite be a long, so be patient with me. So first step, I just simply go to click here, and here we can see there is a goal and then target audience and market. So first thing is that once we start a project or once we start any websites or any business plan, so we need to take care about the goal. For example, you are going to start your YouTube channels, so your goal is making money and being a viral on YouTube, and that's your goal. And same in this SEO case, you're making websites, so you're making website means you have a goal, you want to going a target a specific audience, and then you need to create and generate everything according to users experience and according to your audience. So the first thing is that of goal of SEO is increasing traffic. That's obviously. The next is improving keyword ranking. For example, your keyword is the plumber in New York, so you want to rank it on top of Google on GoHighLevel websites. And the second one is enhance UI and also Core Web Vital as well. The UI is user experience. Core Web Vital is a website technical parts and website speeds and including a lot of other things as well. Increasing local visibility and national visibility as well. Generate more leads and conversions. Okay, and that's the basic our basic goal. And after that, what we are going to learn about how we can target our audience, define ideal customer on a profile, and identify local and national and global market needs and conduct competitor analysis. And when we are going to start a project, we will analyze our competitor. Our teacher. In other words, they teach us how you can rank in Google, how we can grow in a Google using this strategy or using client strategy or using client what they are doing with their own business. So we can learn from them and we can implement our strategy and our own research as well. So in the next part, we're going to learn about keyword research and strategy. I just simply click on it and I just drag and drop this one, and here we have keyword strategy and plans. And the first thing is we use tools for keyword research is Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs and SEMrush. These are the tools we are going to use for our keyword research. And by the way, that's our theoretical video. In the next video, we will learn about how we can implement these, how we can use these tools to do keyword research. And then we will identify our keyword. There is a three types of keyword: primary keywords, secondary keywords, and LSI keywords. So first thing is that primary keyword, we can say that plumber in New York, that's your primary keywords, and we will say how to contact with the plumber in New York, that's our secondary keyword. And then we will use long tail keywords, that's called LSI keywords. We will do keyword research, we will make complete plan, and then we will implement on our website. In the next few videos, I will explain each and everything with detail. And analyze your competitor, that we have discussed in here as well. That's our main strategy. We can steal some keywords from our competitors and we can use it for our brandings and our ranking as well. The next one is focus on search intent. Yeah, that's an important part. You need to take care of user, you need to take care of user problem, and you need to take care of user intent. For example, user is looking for plumber expert in New York, so you need to target exact keyword instead of you're going to target plumber in Sydney, a plumber in anywhere in the world. So you need to target your audience and you need to focus on their intent as well. These are basically for intent. So these are a keywords strategy, or we can say that keywords plan. We will learn about all planning in a practical video as well. We will do some research, we will plan, and we will optimize and execute as well. Then we have technical on-page SEO. That's the first part of SEO. A part what we are going to do. We are going to do all things that are on page. On page means, for example, we are going to design our page, so we need to design structure. As we learned about last video as well, we are going to make a structure of our page like H1, H2, H3 headings. We are going to do structures, and we are going to take care of meta description and meta title as well. We can must use one keywords for meta description and meta title as well, and your main keyword must be in your H1, and also you can use in H2 and H3 as well. Maintain our keyword density. For example, we have 1000 words, so we need to must be use our main keyword naturally like 2 or 3 times in our hundreds content. And same as we are going with the LSI keywords, we will use LSI keyword. We will do internal linking. That's most important part. Internal link mean we have two services, plumber in New York, and we will say plumber in Sydney, or we can say plumber in Maryland, or whatever keywords relevant is. So we can internal link both pages, or we can internal link our home page with our service page as well. That's called internal link. We can link website pages into each other, so that's called internal link, and we will do internal link. That's most important. And I implemented structured data as well. That's basically schema markup, and I will teach you in the next videos, and even we can do a practical as well, how we can implement structured data on your GoHighLevel websites. The next one is a mobile responsiveness. We need to take care of mobile responsive of our websites. Improve your page speed. That's most important part. Use optimals. Visuals, we need to use cleans and easy appear and eye-catchy graphics as well. High readability, we need to work on our fonts as well, and we need to import our fonts as well. The optimized URL, that's the most important. We need to keep our URL short, and you need to must use your main keyword as well. No need to use parameters like digits and dates. You don't need to use these things in your URLs. In the next part, that's the off-page SEO, but we are going to learn about technical SEO, and after that we will cover off-page SEO, because we are going to stepwise. The on-page SEO is things we can do all things on our pages. We will improve our structure, we will improve our design, and we will improve our content headings as well. So in technical SEO, we are basically handling our backend of website and in indexing part of website, and what we are providing to the Google indexers, or we can say that Google indexer, which pages are going Google or indexing from your website. So we need to take care of about all these things in a technical SEO. The first step is that website performance and security, and also we need to take care of our security. We have 4 things like improve page speed. We will improve our page speed. We need to use CDN, that's a content delivery network, third-party network we will use for our website, and that will be help to load your website faster, and implement SSL for security purpose. And also you can fix your broken links as well. For example, someone you have page and you have deleted, but the link is there, so you need to remove your broken link as well. And the next thing is crawling. That's the most important part. You can crawl your website. You can optimize report txt and XML as well. We will submit these files in a practical video as well. We will submit reports file, we will submit XML, and also we will submit sitemap as well, and we will take care of canonical tags and duplicate content as well when we'll go for crawling part or indexing part in a practical as well. We need to take care of reflang as well, and for multilingual SEO, if you have your website in a multilingual, for example you work in Spanish and English, so we need to take care of multilang as well. And there is a code web vital. There is a technical terms. We need to reduce these for speed optimization of our website. So we will learn about practically when we will dive into a speed optimization of GoHighLevel website SEO. And here we have a responsive website design. We need to improve our design for mobile, and we need to pass our test for mobile as well, mobile responsive test as well. The third thing is FAQ review and product schema. These schema markup we need to submit in our SEO procedure and in our website, and I will also implement these things in our practical video, no worry about that, and I will explain step by step as well. So in the next part we are going to discuss about off-page SEO. That's appearing from the name. We are doing off-site from the our website. We are doing like backlinking, and we are doing social signals, and we are doing local citations as well. The first thing is that in off-page SEO we will do high quality backlinks from other websites. There is a lot of strategies here. Like for backlink, the first one is a guest posting. We will ask our competitor, or we will request to our competitor to get backlink for our website. Then we will produce high quality content and help the audience. Then we will earn a natural backlink as well, or we will use Haro or for PRL backlinks. There is a lot of journalists and a lot of other guys, they are providing their PRL backlink there on their website or on their blog, so we can outreach them and ask them for Haro link, and also create shareable content that help you to user, and user automatically share your content and you will get backlink. Another is a social signal, means you need to create your all social profile for your website, and you need to show your active presence, and then you can share your website link there. That's help to promote your brands and your business and your socials backlinks as well. And another thing is a local citation. You need to go to your local business citations like Yelp or something like that, and you can register your business and you will get automatically backlink from there. The next thing is that we are going to learn about local SEO. In local SEO we will manage over a specific SEO like SEO in New York, and we can say SEO in Maryland, SEO in Alabama. We can specify a state, and then we will do SEO on the specific state. For this we need to a separate keyword search, and we need to plan for local area as well. So first thing is that most important, we need to set up our Google My Business profile, and then we will optimize it complete profile setup. High quality images we need to use post updated and promotions as well. And local listing and citation, we will go with the different local listing and the citation website where we can register our business. And local link building, we will do some local building, local newspaper and directories and local blogs. We can outreach them, and we can ask for partnerships or ask for guest post for Google My Business. Local content strategy, we will make a specific city strategy. For example, we will say plumber in New York, a plumber near me, and plumbers in this area. We can do some keyword research like this. And the other thing is that customer review, that's most important. We will encourage user to review on our Google My Business or Yelp and respond to review as well if you want to grow in a local SEO. We will also learn these things in practical video as well. The new thing is national SEO. I think that maybe you hear first time. That's basically a specific keyword and specific area. For example, we will say high authority link building, guest posting on a national websites. Like in a local SEO we are going to target specific state, but in a national SEO we are going to target complete US, not a specific state. That's basically difference. Broad keyword targeting, long tail and national keywords, and optimize best services in US, not just in a Maryland and in a specific. We can go with the whole country. Content plan, pillar content and sub pages, that both work for you. And also we have optimized for Google PAA. We need to target our Google PL. We will do our competitor analyze. That's most important part, and mostly competitor teach you how you can implement these things for your websites. And we will do some reverse engineering, means we will add competitor website into our any tool, then we will scratch from their keywords, and then we will use for our websites, and even backlink strategy as well. So that's our national SEO, and we are going to plan some. Here we have content types. We have blogs, guides, videos, and infographics. That content we will generate for our brands and for our business. And there, then we will publish our case studies and success stories as well. And publish. You can see we need to publish 4 and 8 blogs per month, or 1 to 2 YouTube videos, daily social media post update. These are the most important parts for growing any business or any services in any area. Content optimization, must do internal linking, all text, word, images, and SEO friendly meta description as well. These most important parts you need to do for your websites or for your specific target audience. Another thing, that's initial tools for tracking performance. We need to do a Google Analytics, Search Console, Href, SEMrush, and Moz, and GT Matrix for speed. And these Google Analytics we will track our performance or websites audience. And in a Google Search Console we will check our indexing procedure. In Href and SEMrush, that's the most important important tools for SEO where we will optimize our SEO things, where keywords and GT matrix is used for speed, and Screaming Frog, that's the most important tools for SEO, and it has almost all things regarding the SEO that we need. And key matrix, organic traffic growth, keyword ranking, bounce rate, we need to check these all things day by day to improve our ranking and to grow in Google. Then the last part is implementations. We need to plan our implementation. The first thing is that we need to do keyword research, and then we will do on-page SEO, then we will do technical SEO, then Google Mapper. These all things we will do manually, no worry about that. And then content creation and optimization, then we will do link building, SEO, local SEO strategy, and improve our backlink and expand into national SEO, then monitor our adjust and strategy as well. Then this is a voice whisper for all businesses and all our keywords as well. That's the SEO thing we are going to do for our GoHighLevel websites. You have any questions or any confusion, just comment below. Otherwise, if you need any GoHighLevel services like website design, developments, funnel design, automations, voice agent setup, any services you need related GoHighLevel, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation. And either if you don't have a GoHighLevel, just simply go by GoHighLevel with my affiliate link. I will design websites for you free of cost, and here you can see my portfolio, and I will do SEO as well for your websites as well. Here you can see I have amazing portfolio as well. If you want these landing pages, just simply go to my websites and contact with me here, and you ask me I need this landing page, so I will just jump on with you and I will give you this landing page free of cost as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.